Buffalo, or the American bison, is a massive mammal native to North America. Standing tall at up to 6 feet at the shoulder, these herbivores can weigh as much as 2,000 pounds. Buffalo were once found across the Great Plains, but overhunting nearly drove them to extinction. In the 19th century, there were only about 1,000 buffalo left in the wild. However, conservation efforts have helped their numbers rebound, and today, there are over 500,000 buffalo roaming North America. Buffalo are grazers, feeding on grasses and other plant material. They have a unique stomach structure that allows them to digest grasses more efficiently than most herbivores. This digestive system enables them to extract nutrients from tough, fibrous plants that other animals cannot eat. Buffalo are also known for their incredible endurance. They can run up to 35 miles per hour and can travel 10 to 15 miles per day in search of food. In the wild, buffalo live in herds, which can number in the hundreds. They are social animals and communicate through a series of grunts, snorts, and body movements. One interesting fact about buffalo is that they are not actually bison. The term bison is used to refer to the species found in Eurasia, while the North American species is correctly called a buffalo. Buffalo meat, known as bison meat in the United States, is a popular food source. It is leaner and lower in fat than beef, making it a healthier option for many people. In addition, buffalo hides were once used for clothing and other materials, and their horns were used for tools and decoration. Today, buffalo are not just a food and resource, but also an important symbol of the American West, representing the wild, untamed spirit of the Great Plains. Buffalo are a fascinating species, with a long and rich history in North America. Their resilience and adaptability have ensured their survival, and they continue to be an iconic part of the American landscape.